838 allowance and disallowance of wills. So pagkahimuon ni during the probate of the will, no. So when you say probate is the act of proving before a competent court the due execution of a will by a person possessed of testamentary capacity, as well as approval thereof by the said court. Take note that the probate is one thing, the validity of the testamentary provisions is another. So there are two kinds of probate: the ante-mortem probate, so meaning before uh, the death of the testator, the will can already be probated. So during the lifetime of the testator, a will can be probated. So this does not prevent the testator from revoking his probated will or from making another will. There is this characteristic of the will nga it is ambulatory, or it can be revoked during the lifetime of the testator. So even if there is this allowance of the will during the ante-mortem probate, the testator can still revoke his will because he is still alive, and under the law he can freely revoke his will. So in the same case, owner of that or the matriarch of that bus company sa Negros. So the uh, mother uh, the mother's will was allowed to be probated, and there are several children who were disinherited, and so it's an ante-mortem probate. So kay during the probate, ang kinahanglan naman dito nga i-prove nga there is this the will was duly executed, and there is no or that the testator is capacitated, he has this testamentary capacity, and so dili pa involved dito ang distribution of the property. So only the whether the will is valid, no? And so again, we have as our legal basis nga that will can still be revoked. Nasa balaod nga the will can be revoked during the lifetime of the testator. So even if there is already this ante-mortem probate, so pwede gyapon na siya nga i-revoke sa testator. And this is supported by the commentary of Rabuya. Kay two reasons niya why a will can still be revoked even if there is already this ante-mortem probate is lahi ang issue nga discuss sa probate proceeding. So due execution, it does not involve the distribution of the property yet, because the distribution will take place only after the death of the testator. And the second is of course the characteristic of the will na it is ambulatory, or it can be revoked before the death of the testator. And the usual probate is this post-mortem, or after the death of the testator.